chemical decomposition, chemical displacement reaction, chemical double displacement reaction. Okay. Today we are learning the second type of chemical reaction, named chemical decomposition reaction or chemical recombination reaction. Page number 197. Okay. Definition. First we can see definition. When a chemical compound decomposes on heating to form two or more substance, means you look this picture, compound AB. AB is a compound. It will be decomposes on heating. We are applied heat energy. Then it will be decomposes or splitting into two or more compounds. AB is a compound. After putting heat energy, it will be split A plus B. This type of reaction is called a chemical decomposition reaction. Okay, we can see one example. Decomposition of ferrous sulfate crystal on heating. First, we have to heating ferrous sulfate in a boiling tube, and after it will be a smell will come. Then that fumes you have to collect, and it will be condensed on cooler parts. We have to take in test tube. Then for the ferrous sulfate again heating, it will be produce a colorless gas. We can see the equation 2FeSO4 7H2O. S means solid. That name hydrated ferrous sulfate. It will be heated. After it will be decomposing or splitting three compounds. First one Fe2O3, that is solid, ferric oxide plus SO2 gas, sulfur dioxide plus SO3 gas, sulfur trioxide. After ferric oxide in the form of brownish black residue. Okay, another example, decomposition of lead nitrate crystals on heating. Here also we can see lead nitrate, it will be decomposing, three compounds are formed. You have to see the equation, then you can understand. 2PbNO3 twice means lead nitrate, that is white color. It is a solid substance. We have to apply heat. After heat, it will be decomposition take place. The new three products are formed. What are they? 2PbO, lead monoxide, that is yellow color. 4NO2 means nitrogen dioxide gas, brown fumes, plus O2, oxygen gas. Okay, you have to read page number 198 and 199. Okay, we can see more examples of chemical composition reactions. First one, mercury oxide, red in color. After heating, it will be splitting into 2Hg, mercury plus oxygen. Mercury oxide splitting mercury plus oxygen. Then metal hydroxide heating, the new forms are metal oxide plus steam. Example, 2AlOH twice, aluminium hydroxide heating, after aluminium oxide plus 3H2O. Then zinc hydroxide, we applied heat after decomposing two products, zinc oxide plus H2O. You have to write in your copy book and study. It is very important. Okay, next one, endothermic reactions. You have to listen, note the point. All chemical reactions that proceed with absorption of heat energy. So, this all chemical decomposition reactions are absorbing heat energy or the reaction take place in the presence of heat energy. So all chemical reaction that proceed with the absorption of heat energy, these type of reaction are called endothermic. Exothermic means heat releasing. Endothermic means heat absorbing. Do you understand the difference? Exothermic, endothermic. Okay. So examples: carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas react with the white coke to form carbon monoxide with the absorption of heat energy. Then Fe2O3, ferric oxide plus 3CO, carbon monoxide gives 2Fe, iron plus 3CO2, carbon dioxide. Then minus, here minus heat energy means they are absorbing heat energy. Okay, next one, photo decomposition reaction is very important. So you have to study nicely. Definition: the chemical reaction, chemical compound decomposes on absorbing light energy form new substance. So photo means light. So the reactions are in the presence of sunlight. Okay, this is very important. You have to listen. Sunlight. So here one example. 2AgCl, silver chloride, in the presence of sunlight, it will be splitting into silver plus chlorine. Okay, page number 202, you can see more examples. Silver bromide, we have to put in sunlight, it will be silver plus bromine. Silver iodide, we have to put in sunlight, it will be splitting silver plus iodine, like that. Okay. Next, electro-decomposition reaction. Okay, we already learned electrolysis in water in class 7, 8, 9, no? So, electrolysis in water, that time, what will happen? Decomposition reactions that take place with the absorption of electric energy. So, what is the difference? Here using electric energy, we have to 6-volt battery is connecting to the test tube. Okay, so decomposition reaction take place with absorption of electric energy is called photo decomposition. Reaction take place sunlight, photo decomposition. Reaction take place electric energy, electro decomposition. Okay, example 2H2O. Acidated water means we have to apply the sulfuric acid in the water, that's why. Okay, so apply electric current, it will be splitting 2H2 plus O2, hydrogen plus oxygen. Thank you.